this is the unboxing of, let's see what we got today. No. There you go. That's more gooder. DeWalt. Proudly made in the USA. Pretty fancy case. Don't need that. See if she comes with a charge. Hear that slap? That was the chuck. Pretty nice. Hammer mode. Let's see. Twist her down, I'm assuming. Oh, that's just a symbol, I guess. That's necessary. Probably could have put something else there, like, I don't know, snack machine or something. 2 batteries and the charger. And the belt clip, which I don't think anyone uses. Well, let's test something out. What do we got here? What do I got? What do I got close by? Nothing. I have some drill bits. That bit's duller than dirt. Pretty good. No funny smell. Let's get a good bit. A good drill. One that I'm pretty sure is sharp. Hit this hammer mode here. There we go. Let's try that. Ooh, even faster. Go back to go to drill bit mode. Hammer mode. About twice as fast. Pretty sweet. That's the DeWalt 20V Max XR, 2 amp hour battery, lithium ion, It's even got one of those on the battery. Pretty cool. Bet you that light stays on too long though. You only need it on for about 15 seconds maybe. Alright, thanks for watching. Do that right.